Whenever you see the message saying vehicle battery charge low or also battery charge very low in your Mini Cooper, it means that the battery management system has just registered extremely low voltage in your 12-volt battery. It's not a good idea to let your car run like this, since serious drop in voltage may eventually lead to no-start issues or even damage something in the very complicated electrical system of your car. Anyway, we are talking about the BMW battery management system, since modern mini cars use BMW engines and technologies. And this system is very well known for cold weather issues. If your car spends a lot of time in cold temperature, the state of charge in your battery will drop significantly while the car is stationary. The battery management system will see it right after you start the car, so it will throw one of those messages, and it doesn't always mean that the battery needs to be replaced. First of all, when you see this message, it makes sense to not turn off the engine soon after you start it. Give it a good drive to let the battery take some charge from the alternator. Secondly, it makes perfect sense to charge the battery with a good charger for several hours to give it more juice. And if the battery is older than 4 or 5 years, it's a good idea to just buy the new one. If you mainly drive in the city, use an external charger once every 4 or 6 months to let the battery last much longer than average. And also make sure the car goes to sleep properly when you lock it, since any active system will drain the battery and lead to its quick deterioration.